Hi, crystal lovers, gold enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel. This is crystal engineer Semi. Okay guys, my last video, maybe 2 videos ago, I shared this rock. This rock contains gold. It seems like this, but gold formation you see here should be gold, but by eyes not possible to be sure 100%. So I will test it. I will test this rock. Very nice rock, I love it, but I have to crack down. I cracked down this rock and made sand. To extract gold, first we need to take some other metals, unvaluable metals. We need to take all. I have a solution. By Aqua 73 solution, we can take some unvaluable metals from our sample, like tin, nickel, and lead maybe. It is very safe solution. It is not acid. Okay, just drop down. Just pour some Aqua 73 solution to my sample. My sample very small. This is test. We will test it. After some chemical steps, we will see if there is gold or not, or valuable metals, maybe palladium, maybe silver. Okay, just small mix, and I will wait 1 day. Then I will do some acid treatment to gold or valuable metals. We will see what will happen. Okay, we applied Aqua 73 solution to remove from our sample, from our sand, some nickel, lead, maybe tin. Okay, some unvaluable metals removed from our sample by Aqua 73 solution. Now I'm pouring Aqua 73. This is gold test in our sample. Because some resident impurities or some metal can be inside, so we can remove by hot water. Cleaning, washing up by hot water can help us to eliminate some other metals from our sample. I will do this now. Now you see the boiling water, and hop. I will clean up my sample 5 times, like this. Hot water, shake, mix it, and remove the water. Again, 5 times. After nitric acid treatment, now we will apply hydrochloric acid to our sample. Okay guys, I will use my eye protector glass. Be very careful This is hydrochloric acid. I will check. Okay. And do this treatment in open atmospheric area. Bismillah. Very slowly. Pour the water and now it will be heated 30 minutes. Must be boiled 30 minutes for speedy reaction. For my washing sample after hydrochloric acid treatment, washing with hot water completed, friends. Now I will prepare Aqua Regia. We call this king water. King water will take the gold inside the sample if there is Aqua Regia. For Aqua Regia, we need 3 pieces of hydrochloric acid, 3 hydrochloric acid, around 150 millimeter, 1 piece nitric acid. Must be very careful. This is very strong solution. That's why it takes the gold. And I am pouring Aqua Regia to my sample. Slowly. I need open air. Aqua Regia is boiling. Very scary view. Okay friends, this process must be in open atmospheric area. Be careful. Very strong vapor here. We are waiting around 30 minutes. Boiling process of Aqua Regia completed. We call this solution king water. Friends, gold in this solution now. Aqua Regia took gold inside as a gold chloride. If there is gold, this is here, there is gold chloride in Aqua Regia. Now to start filtering process. Filtering paper and cup, glass cup. Okay guys, very slowly dropping down Aqua Regia. Okay, hopefully we have gold inside the Aqua Regia. In this solution there is gold, should be, but we need precipitation. So for precipitation we have solution Cemoksin AU. This chemical will precipitate gold inside this solution, hopefully. This is very strong chemical. I will apply. Be careful. Protection glass and Bismillah. This is Cemoksin AU for precipitation of gold. Very strong. You see. Okay guys, after Cemoksin AU treatment, we have this. No, unfortunately, nothing dropped down. So, we found this. There is no gold in this sample. Gold, I think, inside of me. Maybe the gold is looking for gold. Maybe the treasure. Maybe the treasure is looking for treasure. I told you it was test, and test result negative. Thank you guys. Hope to see you again in another adventure. See you.